So now we are going to discuss the second capital account, that is fluctuating capital account. Before that, there are two main important points that you have to note it down, that is in the absence of any instruction, means if the question is silent about the preparation about capital, which capital you are going to prepare?
Fluctuating capital.
You have to prepare fluctuating. In the absence of any instruction, which method? Fluctuating capital method we can apply. Okay. The second point is current accounts are not prepared under fluctuating capital method. That means we are going to prepare only one account in case of fluctuating capital method, that is capital. All adjustments related with the capitals we are going to post it here only in capital account. Okay, one by one we can check it first. First one is capital account shows which balance? Credit balance, so balance brought down. Another item, that is if a partner is going to contribute additional capital into the business. What is the journal entry? Cash or bank account debited to partner's capital account, that you can see here, additional capital contributed. But in case of fixed capital method, where we have adjusted this transaction, current or capital account? Capital account. Additional capital contributed by a partner is going to capital account. So third one is the other items, other extra items we have discussed already in the last class. These 3-4 items are going to increase the capital balance or decrease the capital balance? Increase the capital balance. Because if a partner is going to get an interest on capital or salary or commission or share of profit from appropriation, all these 4 cases you can see that the capital balance of partners are going to increase. Capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. If you want to increase that capital balance, we have to credit it. Clear no? We have already credited all these entries here in capital account. So what are the journal entries related with interest on capital? Interest on capital to partner's capital. Partner's salary to partner's capital. Partner's commission to partner's capital account. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to partner's capital account because share of profit. Now we can discuss what are the debit side items under capital account. First one is cash or bank. For what purpose? Drawings against capital, means permanent withdrawal. There are 2 types of drawings are there. One is drawings against capital and another one is drawings against profit. Drawings against capital means if a partner is going to withdraw permanently from his capital. Okay, suppose he has contributed 1 lakh rupees capital, now he is going to withdraw rupees 20,000 against capital. What is the journal entry at that time? A is going to withdraw at that time A's capital account debited to cash or bank. See, A's capital account debited to cash or bank. Entry is clear? If A is going to withdraw rupees 1,000, normal drawings, that means drawings against profit. What is the journal entry at that time? A's capital account debited to drawings. Is it correct? So the entry is, here you can see that in A's capital account what we are going to post? 2 drawings. There are 2 types of drawings. One is drawings against capital, permanent withdrawal, and drawings against profit. Both the drawings we have to post it, or we need to post it into which side? Debit side of partner's capital account. Is it clear? Second one is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, when a partnership firm is charging interest on drawings, automatically capital balance will decrease. Okay, capital account shows which balance? If you want to decrease, we need to Debit it. Debited no already interest on drawings. Next one, P&L account. Suppose if a partnership firm is incurring loss of rupees 1 lakh, that loss we are going to transfer it into appropriation or directly to partners capital? Directly to partners capital we are transferring. Entry is partners capital account debtor to P&L. Because if a partnership firm is distributing loss to partners capital account is going to increase or decrease? Distributing profit, what is going to happen? Increasing. So if a partnership firm is going to distribute loss to the partners, the capital balance of partners are going to decrease because loss. That is the reason you can see here to profit and loss account. Firm is going to distribute loss, firm's loss. Clear? Last one is balance carried out. These are the main items we need to adjust into partners capital account under fluctuating capital account or under fluctuating capital method. Is it clear? Capital accounts of partners, there are mainly two types are there. One is fixed capital account, second one is fluctuating capital account. In the absence of any instruction, we want to select which method? Fluctuating capital method, keep in mind. Okay. Second one is, in case of fluctuating capital method, how many accounts we need to prepare? Only one account, that is capital account. Current accounts are not prepared under fluctuating capital method. Clear? Today itself, prepare a short notes related with fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method, and what are the journal entries which are going to affect these two methods. Okay. So the next day onwards, we can discuss the exercise questions.